Good morning, children, and welcome to the EVS class. How are you all, children? Okay, you all are very fine, attending the classes yourself, and also keeping well. So, children, shall we start the EVS class? So, children, what is today's date? Today's date is 10th of November, isn't it? And after 3 days, what do we have? We have Children's Day, isn't it? It's your day, and we have Children's Day. So, children, let's start our EVS class. So, what were we doing? We were doing lesson 8, and which is wings and tails. Okay, we were doing wings and tails. Okay, this is the lesson we were doing, and you remember what who has wings and tails? We all know the animals and the birds, they have wings and tails, isn't it? Okay, so before going to the next topic, let's do a quick recap of what we have studied in all the 3 classes. Let's see. First, we have studied about domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those animals who stays in farms, fields and houses, who stays near us, and who they need humans. They need us for food, water and shelter and care. Okay, we take care of them. And domestic animals are of 2 kinds: pet animals and farm animals. What are pet animals? Pet animals are those small animals that live inside our house. Like you can see a picture: dog, cat, rabbit, pet birds. And what are farm animals? Farm animals are those domestic animals that are very useful to us, and they stay in the farms and fields. Okay, and they give us meat, milk and eggs. Okay, so let's see which are the farm animals. You can see in the screen: cow, buffalo, horse, goat. These are all farm animals. Now let's move to the next group of animals: animals that live in the jungle or forest. Okay, so which are the animals that live in the jungle or forest? They are lion, hyena, giraffe, bear, then elephant, deer. These all animals, they don't stay near us. They don't stay in our houses. They don't stay in the farms or fields. Where do they stay? They stay in the jungle or forest, and that's why they are called wild animals. They can take care of themselves. They arrange for their own shelter and food. Now let's see the different types of wild animals. So children, wild animals are of different size, shape, then different then body parts they have. Now let's see in what ways these animals are different. First, we have the size. Different animals have different shape, size and color. Okay, different wild animals have different shape, size and color. Like animals like lion, tiger, elephant are big in size, and animals like the dog, rabbit and cat are small in size. Next, we have difference in tail. Now some animals, they have tail, and some animals, they don't have tail. Animals that have tail are like elephant, then dog, then we have tiger, lion, squirrel, fox, jackal, rabbit. So children, these animals, they have tail, and animals which do not have tails are here. A picture is given, like cockroach, octopus, spider, frog. They do not have tail. Now let's see the next group of animals. Animals that can move from one place to another. Now some animals have legs, some have wings, okay, and they can move from one place to another. Like animals with legs can walk, and animals with wings can fly. So animals with legs are, here's a picture you can see of rhinoceros, it's given, then children of buffalo, elephant, then leopard, then we have tiger. These are animals with legs, and they can move from one place to another with the help of legs. Then we have animals with birds are the birds, different type of birds who has what they have. They have wings which can carry them from one place to another. But there are some animals who do not have legs also or wings also. They crawl, okay, and they also some animals they live in water. They have fins, okay, like fish. They have fins. They can move in water. Then we have worms, and then we have snakes. You can see a picture is given, okay, on the screen. Now they do not have either scales also do not means fins also they do not have legs also, wings also, but still they can move, okay, and they move by pushing on the ground, by pushing themselves on the ground, okay, by crawling, by pushing themselves on the ground. Then we come to the next group of people. Like some animals, they can stay both on land and in water. We know some animals they stay on land, some animals they stay on water. But there are some animals who can stay both on land and in water. And what are those animals? Frog. Examples are frog and crocodile. They can stay on land also, they can stay in water also. Now today we'll start a new topic. And what is the topic? Before going to topic, let me show you a picture. Now here children, there are 5 animals. Can you see a picture of 5 animals has been shown? Okay, now these 5 animals, can you tell which of them they come out at night? Okay, you can see them at night. Okay, at night we all sleep, okay, but these animals, some of these animals, they come out at night. Here a picture of monkey is given, elephant is given, a bat is given, bat is a bird, a mouse, animal mouse, then the picture of a owl is shown. Okay, now can you tell me at night which animal comes out? Okay, which animal is more active at night? At night only they come out to eat, to find food. Okay, yes, very good. It is which one? It is bat and mouse and owl. Now these 3, they are more active at night. They come out at night to find food. Okay, but other animals like monkey, elephant, not only monkey, elephant, there are tiger, lion, leopard, many animals are there which sleep at night. But these, okay, bat, mouse, owl, they are more active at night. Now today we'll be studying what are these animals which are active at night, and which those animals which are active during the day, what are they called? Okay, so we get the first topic as day animals. And what are day animals? Some animals are active during the day. They spend the whole night resting or sleeping. They are called day animals. Now, what are the day animals? Day animals are those animals that are active during the day. Okay, during the day, they go from place to place finding shelter and food. They are active during the day, and at night they sleep. Example, in front of our eyes we have monkey, elephant, and there are so many. Dog is also given. We have tiger, leopard, so many animals, goat, sheep, and all. So many animals are there who are active during the day, but at night they sleep. Okay, so what are these animals called? These animals are called day animals. Okay, day animals, these animals are called. Now next we come to another topic, night animals. So we have seen what are these: bat, mouse, owl. Okay, I have shown you a picture. They are more active during the night. At daytime, what do they do? They all sleep. Okay, they take a long nap. Okay, they sleep, and at night they are more active. They find shelter from them for themselves. They find food. They are more active at night. And what are these animals called? These animals are called night animals. Okay, they are more active during the day, and they are called night animals. And so the example is bat, mouse, owl. They come out during the day, during the night, sorry, and during the day they sleep. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, so children, Let's see a question. Okay, you'll have to think about this. This question, I won't tell you the answer, I'll give you as homework. Rani was sitting in her veranda at night when suddenly she saw a black color bird flying from one tree to another. Her sister told it was a crow. Rani was not sure, so she went to the kitchen to ask her mother the name of the bird. Her mother told that it was a dash. It was a dash. What is the name of the bird? I won't tell. You'll do it for homework, and in the next live class I'll ask you. Then one more question, question number 2. Pick up the correct statement. So you'll have to pick up the correct statement, children. And what is that statement? Two out of these two statements, one is incorrect. You'll have to pick up the correct statement. Number 1, animals that spend the whole night resting or sleeping are called night animals. And number 2, animals that spend the whole night resting or sleeping are called day animals. So these two questions you'll do for homework. One more question is there, children. Homework question. It is in your book itself. Okay, it is in page number 16. You'll have to count the number of dogs. You'll have to count the number of dogs, and you write here only. In this space, the space which is given here, you write the name here only, number here itself. Okay, so children, we shall stop till here. Okay, and I hope the concept is clear with you. You will do the homework question in your EVS2 copy. Right, children? So children, we shall stop till here. What did we study today? We studied about day animals and night animals. Okay, day animals are those animals which, what do they? They are active during the day and at night they sleep. And then we have night animals. Night animals are those animals who are more active during the night, and during the day they sleep. Okay, so children, go through whatever I have explained, read whatever I have explained, and do the homework in your EVS2 copy. And this homework, maths one, do it in your textbook. Okay, so children, have a good day and bye bye.